I'm a bit slow to take up this Get the Gloss 7-minute full face challenge that they sent yonks ago, and I've only just got round to clearing up my backlog, so I'm really sorry, Get the Gloss. I've moisturised my skin and put lip balm on before I'm going to start the timer. I don't ever do a full face of foundation and all of that anyway, but hey, let's go. Let's rise to this challenge. I'll show you. The timer starts now. Okay, I'm just going to use 2 concealers. A little dot there and a little dot there and a little bit there, a little bit there. Don't put that on everywhere, just on those 2 corners that are my kind of danger zones. Maybe it's because I'm a contact lens wearer and I get these 2 dark bits there, slightly red and horrible. I'm a little bit puffy today, but so I can't really spend much time doing that, but I would have done normally. And then the only other thing I'm going to do is get the same texture of concealer in a darker shade for my pigmentation areas, and again just pat those on. And as I say, I don't always have to be heavy-handed or perfect, just take the edge off it. I'm going to set that with a little bit of loose powder just under where my eyes were, on my brows. And where that is on my lip. I'm going to get my magnetic brush and just tidy up my brows, just a tiny bit with the angle. It's always really just at the ends. A little spoolie brush and just brush that up. I found this Urban Decay pencil in a lovely green, and I think that's really what I'm going to do quite strongly under my eyes. And I probably haven't got time to do a lot of eyeshadow, but because it's an old pencil, going to warm it up a little bit on my tissue. It's got a bit of punchy colour. Going to curl my lashes. Quick coat of mascara. I'm not talking, I'm trying not to poke myself out in the eye. Then I'd have to repair a smudge, take away my minutes. There must be an art to doing all this in a nice way without pulling faces when you do mascara, but two really good coats. Then I think I'm going to really concentrate on getting a nice vibrant lip. using a Chanel colour, and I think it just with that green, I think it would be lovely to do that. I'm lining and filling as I go. It's a very jewel rich colour here. And you might be wondering, why didn't I use my little lip brush from my magnetic brush to do this? I hadn't washed the lip colour, and it's got another colour on there. And that's the only reason, otherwise I could have done that all on one brush. I think that's great, and just because I haven't got time to do tons of blush or something, I'm just using that on the apples of my cheeks, and it can be my cream. It just adds a tiny hint and turns in with my lipstick. Upwards and outwards. Need to do a little bit more on this side. I think I'm just going to go over I think that looks all right. Not got any of my tea. Okay, so look at the timer. It's coming along, look. So, I am really glad I managed to get that in 7 minutes. Sorry, I couldn't turn that off, but what do you guys think?